Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack, and today I will be showing you how to avoid congestion charge on Waze. So, in order for you to do this process, first things first is you could just simply open the Waze application into your phone. Now, once you are here on the Waze application, you would just simply select the three lines, the top left corner of the screen, or the menu icon. And now, here on the pop-up, you should be able to see here the gear icon, which is the settings. Go ahead and select the settings over here. Now, here on the settings, you should be able to see here the driving preferences category. And then here on the driving preferences, go for the navigation. And guys, the best option that you could have right now is turn on the avoid toll roads. Pretty much, guys, turning on the avoid toll roads will avoid congestion charge. And also, when you select the vehicle type down below on the vehicle details and set your car to private, which it can avoid congestion charge. So guys, remember that congestion charges usually apply only during certain hours. For example, it can be weekdays 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. in London. Outside this time, Waze might route you through if tolls are not active. And pretty much Waze relies on user report and map data. So turning on avoid tolls help, but sometimes a route with a toll might still appear. So just simply provide an alternative route in order for you to do this process.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.